students, and thank you for joining me today again with another lesson. And we continue with the construction of triangles, and today we will be looking at the topic to construct a triangle given the lengths of the three sides. And by now you should know that if we given a triangle, right, and they give us the length of three sides, therefore we're talking about a scalene triangle, right? We're talking about a scalene triangle. So just to brush up for you, a scalene triangle is a triangle where all the sides are of different length. So let's look at the problem quickly. It says, let the required triangle be ABC. Suppose AB, AC, and BC are to be 72 mm, 70 mm, and 68 mm respectively. So looking at the problem there, we see three different measurements. Alright, so we know this, we're talking about a scalene triangle. So when they say let the required triangle be ABC, remember it's very important that we label every part of our construction when we're talking about lines, right? So when we talk about ABC, we're talking about 3 points, right? So the first thing that you're gonna do, so these are the steps here, outline, right? So the first thing that we're gonna do is to draw our base. Alright, so we're gonna take our ruler and we're gonna draw our base. So I'm just gonna set that to 0 degree. So to 0 degree. So we're gonna set that to 0 degree, and the step 1 says draw a straight line. Sorry about this is a typing error. Draw a straight line AB 72 mm long. So you're gonna take your pencil and you draw a line of any length, right? You draw a line of any length, but then we now take our compass and we want to mark it off to the measurement that they give us here. Alright, the measurement that they give us is AB 72 mm. So you're gonna take and place it on the ruler. So it's at 72 mm there already, right? So we're gonna take the compass now, transfer that measurement to our base. So we place it on our base, and what we're gonna do, yes, so we take the measurement, which is 72 mm, place it on our line, and what we want to do is subscribe an arc. So we're gonna cut here, right? So we're gonna take it on the other side. Alright, so we're gonna take it on the other side. We're gonna bring the compass around. Alright, and we do the same. So this here is AB. Alright, so we're just gonna put that in quickly. So we have A, and then we have B. So AB is 72 mm. Alright, so AB is 72 mm. So the second step says with center A and radius 70 mm, draw an arc. So we're gonna take our compass again, and instead of it being 72 mm, it is 70 mm. So it's not 72, it's 70. So we're gonna bring this in a bit, and 70 mm is 7 cm. So we're just gonna move the ruler, and they say they want to make center A, make A the center, sorry, and they want us to scribe an arc. So we're gonna take this up and we're gonna scribe an arc. So that's step 2. They say with center B and radius 68 mm. So instead of it being 70 now, they want us to change the compass to 68 mm. Alright, so we're gonna take out the rule again, place the compass on the rule, and we want to bring this into 68 mm. Alright, so 68 mm, so that is 68, and we come at B because they say make B the center, right? So we come at B and we bring the compass around and we scribe an arc. So when we finish there now, they say join C to A and C to B with straight lines. So we're going to use our rule and we join C to A. So here is C, so at the top here is C, and we're going to join C to A. So we're going to align the ruler. So we align, try to be precise as possible. So we align here. Alright, so let me see. So we take the pencil and we go up to the apex to C, and then C to B. So we come C to B. So we come C to B. Alright, C to B. We align the rule. As I said, we try to be precise as possible. And we take our pencil and we come down here. So this is how you construct the triangle. So triangle ABC is the required triangle. So we're just gonna put the information down here. So AB is 72 mm and ABAC, sorry, yes, AB is 72 mm and AC is 70 mm. So AC is over here, 70 mm, and CB is 68 mm. So remember, as I said, students, it's very important that you put in your information. Alright, so this is how we construct the triangle, and as I said, this is a scalene triangle. So I'm just gonna put a name at the top, scalene triangle. So this is a scalene triangle. Alright, scalene triangle, triangle with three different measurement or three different sides, and most obviously if the sides are different, the angles will also be different. So I'm gonna upload your exercise to the Google Classroom. Alright, I'm gonna upload your exercise to the Google Classroom. So what we're gonna do today, we're not only looking at the construction of scalene triangles, but we're gonna look at the constructing a triangle with given two sides and two included angles. So stay tuned for the upcoming construction and we'll move ahead. Thank you very much. Yes, that's all for today, and I will see you on the next lesson. Enjoy the rest of your day.